This is the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 6th of March. I'm James Spann. Got some lingering rain early this morning, but a decent chunk of the state should be rain-free later today. The next big rainmaker comes in here Friday night into early Saturday morning. All the new data is in the house, so here we go. This is the upper air look this morning. A shortwave passing through the region this morning. And we've still got some lingering rain. Looks like the rain lingering a little later than expected. We figured most of it should be gone by now. Still some rain falling around the Birmingham metro, north of Montgomery, up in the Tennessee Valley. The bulk of this should be out of here by 7, 8 o'clock, and by afternoon, just a few little spotty isolated showers around. We are in the upper 50s and low 60s in most spots to start the day. Huntsville 58, Birmingham 61, the same for Mobile. Dothan 64. High should be in the low 70s in most spots today. We note some fog issues a little west of Alabama. The counties in gray on that map, those are dense fog advisories for parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and the Florida Panhandle. Otherwise, a pretty quiet morning across the country. Got a couple of marginal risks, actually three later today. One over parts of South Carolina, one over parts of the Florida Peninsula, one over parts of North Texas. Tomorrow, a chance of severe storms over parts of Texas, Oklahoma, and some of the adjacent states. And then on day 3, which is Friday, and keep in mind this outlook runs through 6 a.m. Saturday, we've got a risk of severe storms defined across parts of the south central United States. In Alabama, a level 2 out of 5, slight risk, south of a line from near Linden to Greenville to Dothan. The area is in yellow. And then a marginal risk defined as far north as the Shoals and Gadsden. And again, we're just not concerned about severe storms over the northern half of the state. It looks like there's going to be no surface-based instability. There might be a few strong to severe storms down across the southern counties of the state. And then after 6 a.m. Saturday, we have a risk of severe storms defined for the southeastern corner of the state. Dothan, Geneva, Ozark, Enterprise, and much more on the specifics of this here in just a moment as we go through modeling. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Numbers have come down a bit. This will be basically the rain we see Friday night, Saturday morning. Rain amounts for most of the state in the 1 to 3 inch range. And with those numbers coming down a bit, the concern for flooding has eased a little bit. So let's go through the dailies. Model fans. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And you can see that shortwave trough is east of the state. And by 4 o'clock this afternoon, the bulk of the rain should be out of here. Having said that, there could be a few isolated showers around. Notice the green specks on the model here. This is the high-resolution HER valid at 3 this afternoon. So the bottom line is a lot of clouds around today. And there could be, of course, we have the lingering light rain early this morning, the chance of spotty showers this afternoon. Highs today at or just over 70 in most spots. Tomorrow should be a dry day. The sky partially sunny, the high in the mid-70s. And then on Friday, here comes the next wave, and it looks like Friday morning should be dry. The rain should move in here Friday afternoon, becoming widespread Friday night. This is Friday night at midnight. A 1,005 millibar surface low that is on the Ohio River, not too far from Evansville, Indiana. And again, in terms of the severe weather threat, there's just no surface-based instability over most of the state. There's a little bit across southwest Alabama. So if we have any strong to severe storms, most likely it's going to be Mobile, Baldwin, Escambia, Washington counties, that southwestern corner of the state. And again, for the rest of the state, just a lot of rain with some thunder. And then Saturday afternoon at 4, the bulk of the rain is moving out. So at the moment, I'd say the main window for the most widespread rain, about 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon until 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock Friday afternoon until 9 o'clock Saturday morning. And again, rain amounts 1 to 3 inches. And by the way, the temperatures for Friday, the high close to 70. Same thing on Saturday. And then Sunday, we have an air mass change. The day will be sunny, cooler, highs in the upper 50s for the northern part of the state, 60s elsewhere. So in terms of doing something outdoors with no rain, that's your day on Sunday. Monday, a sunny day. Highs hold in the 60s. This is Tuesday. We're sunny with a high close to 70. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, March 13th, troughing to the west. Evidence there could be some rain in the Gulf, but we're still dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, March 15th. Again, we have a southwest flow aloft. Rain breaks out to the west over Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas with a surface low that's west of Vicksburg. But again, it looks like a decent chunk of next week should be dry, although there might be some rain out there toward the end of next week. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. You're looking for that green line on that chart. And the mean is between 3 and 4 inches between now and the 21st of March. Check the numbers coming off the National Blend of Models. We've got 70 today, mid-70s tomorrow. Highs around 70 on Friday, Saturday, then upper 50 Sunday. That's with the air mass change. But then we bounce right back with mid-70s by the end of next week. And again, we're going to see upper 30s by Monday morning, and I guess it's possible some of the colder pockets might be close to freezing. But again, no evidence of any major late-season freeze for the next 10 days. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance in the house. This is for March 13th through March 19th. Temperatures here across the Deep South near average. So after clouds and rain, we had some pretty neat sky optics down in Mobile and Baldwin counties yesterday. Pretty impressive rainbows showing up about 5, 6 o'clock yesterday afternoon after a fairly good soaking for the Alabama Gulf Coast. Always nice to see those, but a very nice glowing sunset in the far southwestern corner of the state. A couple of quick notes here. Don't forget the time changes this weekend. Yeah, we go back on daylight saving time, and you set your clocks forward 1 hour Saturday night, which means we lose an hour of sleep, but that's okay. We'll sleep later. And the new sunset time Sunday evening will be 6:51 Central Daylight Time. And today going to be in Birmingham, I-3 Academy this morning, and then a program at Children's of Alabama for the patients and their families there. Tonight, Kimberly Church of God at 7 o'clock. We'll talk severe weather safety. Of course, up there they had a pretty rough tornado about a decade ago. Tomorrow, going to Lauderdale County, the far northwestern corner of Alabama, Waterloo High School. Friday, Cottondale Elementary School down in Tuscaloosa County. And Saturday, we will be in Starkville, Stark Vegas, the campus of Mississippi State for a Man Church event, which, by the way, is sold out. But looking forward to see a lot of my friends over there. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.